Hey guys, this is James, the founder of Unwind. Today I just want to show you guys how to use your points so you can cash them in for discounts. Now, before I get started, I want to let you know that all points are tied to email. So even if you did check out as guest on your previous orders, when you do create an account using that same email, you can still see your points. I'm going to show you guys how to do this on mobile version just because 90% of you guys do go through our website on your phone. Now the first thing you want to do is log into your account. I'm going to leave a link for that down below. But when you log in, it's going to look something like this. If you click into points and rewards, the first thing you're going to see on the top is how many points you have available. And the second thing you're going to see is how many points you've already redeemed in the past for coupons. But if you scroll all the way down, the first thing I did want to show you was all the different ways to redeem points. You'll automatically get points with every order, but we do have some extra kickbacks, like if you hit a minimum spend or follow us on social media. Or lastly, the biggest way to get points is to refer friends. Now, you might be asking, how do I refer a friend? If you scroll up, there is a referral link. All you need to do is share this with them. They'll get 25% off their first order, and you'll get 500 points when they make a purchase. Now, if you scroll down to My Rewards, there is a Rewards tab. On this tab, this is where you redeem your points for coupons. As you can see, you can trade in more points for a bigger discount. It's going to be $10 off for 250 points, $50 off for 500 points, or $110 off for 1,000 points. Since we have enough points in this account, let's go ahead and redeem the biggest one here. When you click Redeem Now, the 1,000 points get traded in for a coupon code. That coupon code is right here. I do have a few other ones from the past, but you can find this in the coupons tab here. So this is where you're going to find all of your coupons. If you go back to the rewards tab, this is where you trade your points for a coupon. And you go into the coupons tab, this is where all of your coupons are. These coupons are tied to your email, so you won't be able to share this with other friends and family, but they don't expire. So you can use this whenever you're ready to use them. Once you use them, they're going to go into the used and expired coupons tab. That's it. Rewards, coupons, and used and expired coupons, and your referral link. It's all in this one page, and it's pretty straightforward. But if you guys have any questions about this, you know where to reach me. We're always here to help.